Hello, gentlemen. This is a tutorial to show you how to use the searchable trespass and ban list that we've created. So you're going to have an email and it's going to have a link that looks like this. You're going to want to save this link by creating a file for it. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to scroll all the way down. If you have a lot like me, then it's going to take a minute. You're going to now go down to More, create a new label. Now you can name this whatever makes sense to you. I'm going to name it Live Links. Now this email is just for Wolf Creek for me. So I don't need to specify that it's for Wolf Creek. If you use your email for something other than Wolf Creek, I want you to first create a tab like this. And I'm going to do it just to show you. So you're going to want to create a label that makes sense to you. You can put WCSA for Wolf Creek Security Agency. You can put WC for Wolf Creek. You can spell it out. I'm going to spell it out. I'm just going to put Wolf Creek. I'm going to hit create. Now, then I'm going to hit and create a new label again. And now I'm going to label it Live Links. And then I'm going to nest label it under Wolf Creek. Gotta find it. There it is. Wolf Creek. Now I'm going to move this to my live links under Wolf Creek. So now whenever you're working and you need to find this, all you need to do is go find your Wolf Creek folder and then your live links. You can also create other labels under this Wolf Creek tab that says things like conversations between me and Steve, conversations between me and Colton, or policies, memos, important information, all these things that you need to have access to fast or be able to find easily. You can use this tool that Gmail provides to categorize and organize your emails. I definitely know what it can feel like to have an overload of emails, a long list that you're looking at. But if you use this, you will not have that problem anymore. I'm sending these live links once and I expect people to save them. Now, moving on to showing you how it works. Now, you're going to select the link. It's going to pull it up in a tab, but you're not going to be able to use it here. What you need to do is open it in the desktop app. Open Excel, and I'll show you why in a minute. Now, you're going to use search engine. That is what you're using. Now, I have the sheet protected to where you're not going to mess anything up, okay? So I'm clicking everywhere and nothing's happening. Same over here. You're clicking and nothing is happening. So don't really worry about messing anything up. If you use this and then you notice that you can click things, please, like, send me a text, send me an email, call me. That needs fixed immediately. Now, there's only one space that you can, and it's this one right here, and it's the only thing you need. So you're going to click on it. It's going to look like this. Okay, so this is a drop-down box. Now, in order to type on it, it's going to look like this, to where it looks like you're not allowed to type. So let me click up here. I'm going to click this here, and now I'm going to start typing. Okay, Ken. I'm going to hit Tab on my keyboard, and then my drop-down. And there he is. It's going to bring up Ken's picture, which property he's banned at, his status of whether he's banned or trespassed. If you do not know the difference between a ban or a trespass, then you need to seek information, read a policy, ask your supervisor. The date that trespass or ban was issued, some of the older files, we do not have this date. And then it includes their date of birth and any notes that were important to include. Now, if there's a person that you're trying to find and you're not sure if they're in the system or not, you don't have to type out their whole name, just as we did here with Ken. Even though we typed out his full name, it still brought up his last name for us. So we're going to type in the last name of the owner. We're going to type in Poles, okay? Oh, see there? I tried to type, and it didn't work because it wasn't in the right mode. So when it's like this, it doesn't let you type. I'm typing. It's not working. So you got to hit it again to where this little pointer pops up, and then you can. It's kind of weird, but hey, it works. And now I haven't hit anything else. I've just typed, and I'm trying to hit my little button here, but it's not working. So you either need to hit tab or select something else. It'll pull up no data found, but you want to double check. There it is, not found. I'm going to show you that with somebody who is in the system. So I'm going to bring up, oh, there you go again. So it's a little annoying sometimes that whenever you think that you're about to type and then you can't, but guys, it works. So once again, you're going to look for this right here, this little pointer. That shows you that you can type. Now I'm going to type in this car. We'll see what pops up. Oh, remember, I can't just hit the button. I've got to hit tab or select. I'm going to hit tab. And now I can select my drop down. And this here brings up Kara, brings up the properties that she's banned from, yada, yada, yada. Now this here, if you ever see this come up where it's not actually a date, let me know. Send me a screenshot, send me a picture. I know how to fix it. Okay, so this was a mistake whenever I entered it in. If you ever see something that doesn't make sense up here, just send me a picture of it. Don't give me a hard time. I'm learning it too. It took me about 5 days to get this thing down. So anyway, I'm excited for you guys to use it. If you want, you can also scroll through here. It's in alphabetical order. I also have the option to create it to where it organizes it by the most recent date. If we want to do that, if that's more helpful to you guys, then just let me know. In the meantime, this is what we got. I'm super happy with it. I hope you guys are too. And let me know if you guys have any ideas or anything. But I like this. I think you guys are going to like it too. It's simple. It brings up all your information that you really need. And please let me know if you have any questions. All right, guys. Thank you.